Hey you guys, Gloria here. So I was tagged in a post here. I'll show you about ChatGPT. So it says, Gloria, would you be able to give us a tutorial about how you use it? Because I commented that I love using it to create batch content. So let me show you what I did. So here I created a bunch of these tweet reels. So it's a tweet from Twitter that I copy and pasted onto Canva. And so these all came from ChatGPT. So I want to show you what that looks like. So of course, if you don't have that yet, so make sure you go there first and create an account. You can go to trygpt.com, and then I already have an account, so mine looks like this, and I actually have the plus. I think it's worth it. And you'll see here that mine looks a little different than if you first get yours, because I have this extension here for ChatGPT. It's called AIPRM. So this, you'll get it over here. Let me see. If you search for Chrome Extension Store, if you're using Chrome, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to search for AIPRM. So it's going to look like this, and you're going to go ahead and install it. I already have mine installed, so it only prompts me to remove it, but go ahead and install that. So once you install it, it looks like mine does here. And what's cool about this is that these are already prompts that other people have created that can help you ask GPT what you want, because sometimes if you don't write it in a specific way, it's not going to give you what you want. So you have to write the who, what, when, and where, like act as a beauty consultant selling skincare products and create a post that blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? So you have to kind of tell it who you are, who you want it to act as. But these prompts are great for that. So I'll show you what I use. So here you could search quote. Okay. And so there's inspirational quotes, quote posts, but I believe it's this one that I like by Fran Jeans. So you click on that. And so I'm going to create quotes based on my industry. And so we could write your beauty, confidence, because in my Instagram post, I talk a lot about confidence, skincare, and makeup. And so it's going to generate a bunch of quotes for me. So beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. It's going to tell me what kind of picture I can even use. The caption here, how I can write, in the caption. Here's believe in yourself and the woman looking in the mirror. So all of this is great, right? So this over here, it says invest in your skin. It's going to represent you for a long time. And then a flat lay of skincare products. And then of course you can continue. It could create more for you. Let me go back and show you different ones. So this one was the Fran Jean. Let's try, let's see, briefing outline, copy assignments, my journey. Yeah, let's try this one. It says her click city. That's who wrote it. And insert quoted text here. Oh no, this is for you to create a graphic from a quote. Okay, that's not what we want. Funny t-shirt quotes, affirmation, powerful. We could do this one, powerful affirmations. So since my niche is confidence, we could do that. Makeup, confidence, skincare. Let's see. Affirmation. I radiate beauty and confidence in my skincare routine. Enhances my natural glow. Explanation. Blah, blah, blah. Motivational quote. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel. That's one of my favorite quotes. And then it tells you stock photo concept. So you can use a lot of these prompts for that. But I'm going to do, let's see, I had done one earlier. This one here. So I talk about confidence and makeup. And I also, for March, my theme was like lucky girl theme, like for St. Patrick's Day. So I also wrote in the prompt, I wrote lucky girl right here. So you could see that's what I prompted it to do. And this is what the prompt that whoever created it included in the, so I didn't have to write all this. I just have to write this, if that makes sense. Okay, so now we're going to copy and paste all of this. So we're going to take it like this and copy it. And I'm going to go to my Google Sheets here and I'm going to create a new sheet, or if you want to use Excel, if you have Excel, and I'm just going to paste it like this. Okay. And I'm going to save this as a CSV file. So we go here, we go to save. If I could find new, make a copy. I believe it's here. Is this where I went last time? No. I think it's share. Share with others. Maybe download. Oh yeah, download. Sorry. Here we go. So this is the one you want. Comma separated value, CSV. All right. And so it's down here now. It says entitled spreadsheet CSV. And so now we're going to go to this. So this is where I want my quotes to be. I want to create this as a story for my Instagram and my Facebook. And I want to be able to have this love meter here. And I want to post one every day. So that way my stories get interacted with. Obviously I'm going to use the one from Instagram, but this is just my guide to see where I want the little swipe thing. And we're going to go here to bulk create. Okay. Bulk create is upload CSV. So this is where I'm going to upload this. Right. And then here it says 3 data fields identified. Okay. So then we have to write down what is what. So right here we click on connect data. Okay. And so the data we want here is the quote. So see how this would be the row that has the image description. This would be the row that has the caption. But since I'm not posting this as a post, I'm just posting it as a story. I don't need this part here. So we're just going to use this one here. It's the quote. So there you go. So just have to fix the writing here. There. And I'm going to put a space here. Maybe one more. And now I'm just going to adjust this. Okay. Let's say I want it to be right here so it fits in between the pink. All right. And so next we're going to do continue. And I'm going to say it's going to generate 3 pages. So that means all the quotes that we have from that CSV file, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's what it's going to create. We'll create. And you'll see 1, 2, 3. Okay. And of course you could tell the ChatGPT, where were we? Here, you could tell it to generate more. You know what I mean? If you want to do 50 of these, generate, I'll do 10 more. Well, then there it is. It's going to generate more, you know, depending on how many you want, you know. And then you can bulk create a whole bunch of these. You could bulk create 50 at a time, have them one for every day of the year. So now that we have this, we can schedule this in our planner here. So I'll show you, I did the ones for Tuesday, my tweetables. That's what I call it. It's just is a reel with my tweet from it. And it's just gonna, I think, last for 3 seconds and it's gonna loop because it's a reel. Let me see if I could play it. Yeah, so it looks like that. It just does a swipe for the paint brush strokes and then there's my quote. And every Tuesday it's gonna be a different one. And so I bulk schedule them until May, because it only lets you go up to 90 days. So that's when it stopped. It wouldn't let me go any further, but it's super simple. So let's do one for today, since I don't think I have any stories today. Today's here. Okay, create. I'm going to create story. And first I have to download my book creation here. So again, you just have to adjust a little bit. I'm going to delete this because I know I'm going to put that there. And I'm just going to download this one page just so I could show you one. Current page, download. Okay. And then we're going to go back to our meta site, add to your story, this one. Here it is. And that's how it's going to look on Facebook. this is how it's going to look on Instagram. Maybe I could have made the text a little bit bigger, but yeah. And then we could add our stickers on top of it, product stickers, all of that, additional swipe up links, web shop. You know what? I just realized you cannot add a swiping sticker on here, how much you like it, like you can straight from the app, but it's okay. We'll just leave it like that. We don't need to add a little swipe up meter here. I did want to do that though for interaction. So I might have to do this manually on my actual phone, but at least now you know how you could bulk create. So now we're gonna schedule it. So we're gonna do, it tells you active times, which I love. So we're gonna do Facebook at 4 and Instagram, let's say tomorrow at 2, maybe today at 2. I guess that's a good time. Just want to change it to today. All right, save, and it's scheduled. And so there it is. It'll show up over here. But yeah, this is how you could bulk create. I hope this was helpful. Definitely play with all of the different chat prompts that there are. Once you install this, there's a lot that you can use. You know, you could hear it says sort by top votes or latest. But this one's great. What I really enjoy is the one for buyer persona. I actually just did mine. Let me see if I could show you. I printed mine out, but you can put, let's see, skincare and makeup. I live in Hemet. This is where I'm going to put my location. And it's going to give you a buyer persona. This is great because this will give you like targeted words to use, keywords. It'll give you an idea for their challenges that you could, you know, give answers to. So this is great. Definitely use this to help guide you to know what content to create. Let me show you mine. Let's see. I can put this bad boy on. It'll take a second. Oh, camera. Oh, maybe it would help if I turn it on over here. Sorry. Okay, so there you can see what mine looks like when you print it. My girl is Emily, dental hygienist. So yeah, I printed a few, and what, like I said, what I like are the challenges. So this one says finding time for self-care and skincare routine, sticking to a budget while trying new products. So then I can target my messaging to answer those, you know, to hit those pain points. Here it says needs, natural and gentle skincare and makeup products. For this one, balancing her family's needs with her own. So I can, you know, post some things about that. So this buyer persona thing is seriously amazing. Definitely do yours, print yours out. I did a few of them, and this is really going to help with your targeted messaging. Okay, guys, so I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys later. Bye.